guys, and let's solve question number 7, in which it asks, consider a function f of x secant x minus pi by 4 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2. In part A, we have to determine the range of function f. And in the second part, the region bounded by the graph of y is equal to f of x. The x-axis and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2 is rotated 2 pi radians about the axis. Find the volume of revolution generated. Now let's do part A. In part A, we have the function f of x is equal to secant x minus pi by 4. For the limit is x should be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to pi by 2. Now, we know that secant x is equal to 1 over cos x. So, it is easy to find cos x and then find secant x. Now, let's make table of cos x minus pi by 4. Then the given range. Now let's make table of cos while putting different values of x. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to pi by 4, and when x is equal to pi by 2. Cos x minus pi by 4 then secant x minus pi by 4. When x is equal to 0, we have cos minus pi by 4. We know that the negative sign cancel when with cos, so we consider only cos pi by 4, which is equal to 1 over under root 2. Similarly, when x is equal to pi by 4, we have cos pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is 0. We know that cos 0 is 1. Similarly, when x is equal to pi by 2, we have cos pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is positive pi by 4. Similarly, its value is 1 over under root 2. So, the value of secant angle is when x is equal to 0, its value is under root 2. And when x is equal to pi by 4, its value is 1. When x is equal to pi by 2, and the function will be under root 2. It is clear that we have maximum value is pi by 2 and minimum value is 1. You can also see by drawing, by plotting a graph. Here is 1 and here is under root 2. At x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 4, x is equal to pi by 2. We can see that at 0, the value is pi by 2 and x is pi by 4, the value is 1 and again its value pi by 2. I'm sorry, so the graph will be looks like this. So it is clear that in the range will be minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is under root 2. So the range lies between 1 and under root 2. Now let's see part B. Part B, we have to find the volume of function with x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2. Now we know that finding the volume, we have formula pi square of function of g of x. Here we have the function is secant x minus pi by 4. In the range x is equal to 0 and pi by 2, where pi. Let's integrate. You know that the integration of secant function is tan square tan theta. Sorry, here we have the square or tan x minus pi by 4 range 0 pi by 2. Putting the value of x, tan pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus tan 0 minus pi by 4. Tan pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 and tan 0 minus pi by 4 is minus pi by 4. The value of pi by 4 is 1. So tan pi by 4 is 1 minus and tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1. Oh, it's multiplying, not equal. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1. When the bracket open, the minus multiplied by minus and it becomes 1, positive 1. So we have the volume is 2 pi. later. Thanks, guys.